Embracing life, the positive impact of overcoming depression. Overcoming depression is a journey that can bring about transformative changes in an individual's life. It is a battle that requires strength, resilience, and an unwavering commitment to self-improvement. The silver lining is that this journey can pave the way for profound self-discovery, personal growth, and a renewed zest for life. One of the key transformations that occur when overcoming depression is enhanced self-awareness. This means gaining a better understanding of personal needs, wants, and emotions. This heightened sense of self can serve as a compass, guiding individuals towards choices that align more closely with their authentic selves. Another positive change is the improvement of relationships. Overcoming depression often leads to healthier communication, deeper empathy, and a stronger connection with others. It can mend bridges, foster understanding, and cultivate deeper bonds in both personal and professional relationships. Moreover, overcoming depression can also lead to significant improvements in physical health. It can increase energy levels, improve sleep patterns, and contribute to better overall health. A healthy body is a powerhouse that fuels the mind and spirit, making this a crucial aspect of the recovery journey. Lastly, increased productivity is another benefit that can be reaped from overcoming depression. With the lifting of the heavy cloud of depression, individuals often find themselves more focused and motivated. This can lead to improved performance at work, the achievement of personal goals, and a sense of fulfillment that was once elusive. Overcoming depression often leads to a greater appreciation for life's simple pleasures. This newfound gratitude is a result of the personal growth and transformation that occurs during the healing process. It allows individuals to savor moments that were once clouded by negative thoughts. The journey to overcome depression is not without its challenges. These struggles, however, can foster a profound sense of accomplishment. The battle with depression is tough, but emerging victorious instills a sense of strength and resilience that can be a source of immense pride. Life after depression is often filled with hope and positivity. The dark clouds of despair are replaced by a renewed optimism for the future. This transformation is a testament to the human spirit's ability to heal and find happiness again. Professional help plays a crucial role in the journey of overcoming depression. Therapy and medication can provide effective tools for managing symptoms and fostering recovery. It's important to remember that seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but a step towards healing. Overcoming depression also involves harnessing the power of positive thinking. This doesn't mean ignoring negative emotions. Instead, it's about learning to challenge negative thought patterns and replacing them with more realistic, positive ones. This shift in mindset can be a game changer in the journey to recovery. The journey to overcoming depression is filled with many steps, and one of the most essential is self-care. It allows individuals to pay attention to their needs, promoting healing and recovery. Self-care might involve regular exercise, balanced nutrition, ample rest, and time for leisure activities. Adopting healthy habits is another crucial part of maintaining mental health after overcoming depression. This can include a regular sleep schedule, balanced diet, regular exercise, and limit alcohol and caffeine. These habits can significantly contribute to stabilizing mood and preventing relapses. One of the most rewarding aspects of overcoming depression is the potential for rediscovering passions and hobbies. Depression often saps the enjoyment from activities one once loved. As depression lifts, this enjoyment can return, reigniting old passions and even sparking new ones. Another important aspect of overcoming depression is building resilience. Going through the process of overcoming depression can strengthen one's ability to cope with future challenges. It teaches valuable skills like problem solving, stress management, and the ability to bounce back from setbacks. A strong support network plays a critical role in overcoming depression and maintaining mental health afterwards. The support from friends, family, therapists, or support groups provides a source of comfort, understanding, and practical assistance during this challenging time. Overcoming depression is not just a personal victory, it also contributes to breaking down the societal stigma around mental health. As people share their experiences and victories, they help normalize mental health conversations, promoting understanding and empathy. This fosters a society where mental health is recognized and treated without judgment. The journey to maintaining mental health is ongoing, even after overcoming depression. It's a continuous process of learning, growing, and adapting to life's challenges. Embracing this journey allows individuals to remain resilient, keeping their mental health in check while fostering personal growth. In conclusion, overcoming depression opens up a world of positive changes and opportunities. It brings about a renewed appreciation for life, improved relationships, enhanced self-awareness, and much more. It's a challenging journey, but the rewards are immense and life-changing.